Pink salt trick recipe for weight loss. How to use it safely. Still waking up bloated? No matter how clean you eat or how much you exercise, it's not your willpower, it's your minerals. And one tiny pink crystal could be the missing piece your body's been waiting for to unlock real fat loss. Most people use pink Himalayan salt the wrong way, and it's why their fat-burning drink does nothing. Because one small tweak changes everything, and most people miss it completely. Let's fix that today. Because when you use it correctly, this tiny pink mineral can support hydration, digestion, and your body's natural fat-burning rhythm, all at once. Why pink salt helps. With fat loss, pink Himalayan salt isn't just sodium. It's packed with over 80 trace minerals, like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, that your metabolism depends on. When you're low on these, your body holds onto water, slows fat burn, and craves sugar. Ever felt puffy, tired, or bloated, even after clean eating? That's mineral imbalance. By restoring mineral balance, pink salt supports your adrenals, reduces water retention, and helps your body burn energy more efficiently. That's why fitness experts call it nature's electrolyte. Tiny minerals, massive impact. It's not magic. It's biology plus consistency. If that makes sense so far, tap that like button. It helps more people discover simple, natural health fixes that actually work. The right way to make the pink salt drink. Here's how to do it safely. You'll need 1 glass of warm filtered water, 8 to 12 ounces, 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground Himalayan pink salt. Optional, ½ teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Optional, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir until it dissolves. You'll see the water turn slightly cloudy. That's the mineral magic starting to work. If you're sensitive to salt, start with just a pinch and see how your body feels. Here's what it does. Rehydrates your cells after sleep. Rebalances electrolytes for better energy and metabolism. Aids digestion and reduces bloating. Keeps blood sugar steady, preventing cravings later in the day. A 2022 study found that balancing sodium and potassium improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body burns fat more efficiently throughout the day. The mistake that ruins it. Most people overdo it. They use too much salt or drink it multiple times a day, thinking more equals faster results. That backfires, causing puffiness and fatigue. The secret isn't more salt. It's the right amount once a day. Remember, this is a supportive habit, not a shortcut. The add-on that boosts results. Want to make it even more effective? Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It supports gut bacteria, balances blood sugar, and boosts digestion, all key for fat loss. Pink salt restores minerals, vinegar supports your gut, and lemon adds vitamin C for gentle detox. Do this for 7 days straight, and you'll notice less bloating, more energy, and a lighter midsection. It's not the salt that heals or harms, it's how you use it. That's the essence of holistic health. Balance over extremes. Let's recap the safe recipe. Warm filtered water, 8 to 12 ounces, 1/4 teaspoon. Himalayan pink salt. Optional, lemon, honey, or apple cider vinegar. Drink once a day on an empty stomach. Do it consistently, not aggressively. It's a small morning habit that supports hydration, metabolism, and your body's natural fat-burning rhythm, safely and naturally. If you found this pink salt trick helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you love simple, natural ways to stay healthy, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because your next glass could be the one that finally makes the difference.